Head over to visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. If you're in Mac, you can choose your version here. And for Linux, you can download and install your Visual Studio Code version here. For Windows, here's also a little card on how to download and install Visual Studio Code for Windows. I use Windows, so I'm going to click the community version. Choose the folder where you want to save it. I'll just put mine inside the downloads. Then click Save. Wait for the download to finish. And now, we can install it. That's about it. This Visual Studio installer is needed to save us from many hiccups of installing. Click Continue. Wait for a few minutes. Uncheck all of the things here. And look for .NET Desktop Development. And check it. Yours should be similar with the screenshot that is flashed right on your screens. Then click Install.
Nice.
And we can now open the Visual Studio and set it up. Click Launch to launch your Visual Studio. You can skip this for now. Or just sign in with your Microsoft account. For themes, I'll just stick with the default dark theme. Because real programmers prefer dark themes. Or just pick any of your choosing. And click Start Visual Studio. Now we can create our own projects. Click the Create a New Project button. Pick the very first console app. And next. For project name, you can name it anything you want. I'll just stick with the default. And next. In this framework, some of you might have a .NET 7 standard term support, while others have .NET 6 long-term support. Don't worry, both .NET 6 and 7 are still supported in 2023. Long-term support just means it will still receive updates, while the standard term support is the latest version, but both are still usable. Then hit Create. And it will open your Visual Studio 2022. Then click this green Run button. And congratulations, you just run your first C# app. Next video is about reading and writing inputs. So don't miss it.